Hi, this is Jennifer Slasky with my trade show presentation for CEE 525. My chosen technology is Solera Daylighting Solutions, owned by Advanced Glazing Limited. Advanced Glazing Limited was founded in 1995 by Dr. Douglas I. Milbourne. The goal was to develop, create, and market sustainable technologies related to natural lighting. Today, this goal is seen in various affordable, efficient, and sustainable Solera daylighting products. At Advanced Glazing Limited, we are committed to sustainability by making products that have a positive impact on our environment, by minimizing the use of traditional energy sources, positively impacting the occupants that use the spaces, producing products in sustainable ways, encouraging and facilitating reuse and recycling of materials. Overall, as a company, working towards minimizing all forms of waste, targeting sustainable sources for production, utilizing processes of production that use renewable energy sources whenever possible, and lastly, educating our employees and consumers about environmental and occupant health issues surrounding sustainability. There are four main fundamental components of a Solera product. All are produced to fit into standard framing systems like curtain walls, 90-degree corners, and flush glazing systems. Similarly, any component can be customized to fit your individual needs. Most of our components can be added to an existing framework if you feel like only one of these parts is needed. We also offer complementing daylighting simulations to see how your Solera product will not only affect a space visually, but get numbers behind those energy savings and improved occupant comfort. These four main components of our Solera products are glass light diffusing veils, transparent insole core, and transparent aerogel. Our main goal at Solera is to effectively use these products, often in combination with other products, to get the best light quality in a space without hindering any aesthetics while saving on energy usage and costs. The first component, glass, is usually considered the main part of a window, your source for daylighting. Our glass is available in a range of choices varying from color, thickness, and makeup, such as laminated or tempered glass. If you choose not to go with a Solera glass, most of our other products are also compatible. Beyond glass, our other three components that make Solera stand out from our competitors are glass light diffusing veils, transparent insole core, and aerogel. First, let's look at glass light diffusing veils. What are they, and what do they do? We need to explore what light diffusing is and why it is so important for quality daylighting, which is a key aspect in highly sustainable buildings. Usually, you see all transparent glazing, or what we call Vision glass, on buildings, which means that the windows are completely see-through. Although this can be nice to see through as an occupant on the inside, it also results in high glare, solar heat gain, uneven distribution of light, and thermal discomfort for the occupants. And when this happens, the result usually ends up in some sort of curtain or blind system that don't get a lot of use, staying closed most of the time, defeating the purpose of having windows in the first place. Diffused light solves these problems created from traditional all-transparent glazing. It lowers solar heat gain, which results in energy savings as the HVAC system won't have to be working as hard to temperature control the space. There is proper distribution of light without glare. Therefore, the occupant's thermal comfort is greater, and the sunlight can be used for the purpose of lighting, thus lowering costs and energy consumption from artificial lighting. With Solera products, we offer full spectrum diffused light, which provides benefits beyond cost and energy savings. Studies have proven that full spectrum natural lights results in things such as children learning faster, improved worker productivity, increases in retail sales, and overall higher occupant satisfaction and improved health. So what makes Solera different than other light diffusing products out there? Unlike other translucent products available, Solera is a wide-angle light diffuser, which results in significantly lower glare and eliminates the problem of excessive illumination as compared with other light diffusing products that are narrow-angle light diffusers. This wide angle also results in proper light distribution, which allows the sun's full light spectrum to penetrate the space. This is vital to those occupant benefits that I mentioned earlier. With our technology, we can also customize the amount of light transmitted depending on the space's needs. Now, I'm sure that all sounds great, but how can we actually measure the effectiveness of that diffuse light? Here at Solera, we have created the light diffusion power measurement, which can measure and explain the quality of diffuse light. This is critical because traditionally, there are so many variables that go into measuring the quality of light, and we wanted to make it clear for our consumers. The light diffusing power, or LDP for short, uses a light meter to measure radiant intensity at angles that range from -85 to 85 degrees. Through a couple of calculations that take variance into consideration, we get a numerical value that represents the amount of positive light in the space. This positive light is light that is up off the ground, or essentially what is redirected by the glazing to the walls or ceilings. These numerical values are on a scale that are associated with language that can help us better describe the quality of light, such as non-diffusing, poor, moderate, or excellent. So going back to Solera's light diffusing veils, they do exactly what I just explained at a superior level. They produce an excellent quality of light while reducing glare, they reduce solar heat gain, and improve occupant thermal comfort. Our veils are great because we offer various densities which can control the brightness in the room and other factors. You can combine them in different ways or use patterns to further customize the feel and quality of your space. Our veils can be used with our glass, but also competitors' glass as well. With our other two products, transparent Insulcore and Aerogel, they offer a greater range of sustainable benefits as they are insulated windows that still allow that high level of quality diffused light. Our Insulcore ranges from 1 to 3 inches thick and fit into standard glazing systems. You can also combine this with our veils to further customize that light quality. Our Insulcore provides an insulated glass with an R value of 5 and a U value as low as 0.2, which means that there's less than a 10% solar heat gain coefficient. That means that less energy use is used to temperature control your space as compared to traditional non-insulated or low E glass systems. Now, taking that insulated glass a step further, Solera has teamed up with Lumera Aerogel. This aerogel is one of the lightest and most efficient insulators in the industry. It provides an R value of 8 per single inch, which is unheard of in glass. Additionally, it's water resistant, virtually making your curtain wall waterproof, and it highly minimizes sound transfer and diffuses light and eliminates glare completely. This is possible because aerogel is a component that is almost 95% air itself, which means that the pore sizes are smaller than the available free air pathways. Because the aerogel molecules are taking up that airspace, it hinders the transfer of sound and heat significantly more than any other substance. And because it's so light and integrated into the glass itself, there's virtually no learning curve for installers, as it fits into standard systems just like the rest of our products. So, whichever Solera product seems to fit your needs, reach out to us to help you along that path. Like I previously mentioned, we offer complimentary daylighting simulation, which shows you the visual of the light in the 3D modeled space, along with various measurements to let you know about the quality of light and solar heat gain coefficient, which also gives you information about your projected energy cost savings and a reduction in your building's carbon footprint. And remember, you will be supporting a company that values sustainability in every aspect of business. Thus, we've been most recently recognized by Build for 2018 Best Sustainable Glazing System. So let us, Solera, help you towards creating that best sustainable daylighting solutions possible.